Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to discuss how you can join the Plume testnet campaign and become eligible for the airdrop. So let's get started. First of all, connect your wallet and then log in with your wallet. Select your wallet. I'm gonna select MetaMask. Click on next and click on continue and then click on next again. After that you will get this sign in message. Just simply sign in and your wallet has successfully been linked to the testnet. Click on enter app to continue. Here you can see the quests of the Plume testnet, which are divided into two categories. First is the recurring and second is the one-time quest. So let's cover the recurring quest first. Firstly we need some faucets, so click on this. After that there are two types of faucet token here, so we are gonna get both. Click on get tokens and then confirm the transaction in your wallet. After that we are gonna get the second testnet token, so again click on get tokens. Same way you can claim this goon token. I have already claimed it, so I cannot show you. Again go to Plume tasks and click here, and here's a testnet quest that you need to complete. So firstly you need to get goon from the testnet faucet tokens, which we have already done, and secondly you have to swap those tokens, so we are gonna swap. After coming to the swap of ambient, you have to connect your wallet again and switch to Plume testnet. Enter the amount you need to swap and then click on confirm and then submit the swap and confirm the transaction in your wallet. After a transaction has been completed, just close it and go to the Plume testnet again. Next one, you need to stake some tokens. First of all you need to get faucet, we have already done that. After that you need to swap, so we have already swapped, so let's take the swap tokens. Simply scroll down and enter the amount you need to stake. I'll just take 5 and then click on stake, then click on next and approve the transaction. After that another confirmation will appear, just simply confirm it and your tokens have been successfully staked. Now if you want to unstake them, you can simply go here and enter the amount that you want to unstake, and you can claim your staking rewards from here. After coming back to our testnet, you will see we have successfully earned some points on our swaps and staking, so simply click on let's go. Okay, moving forward, the one-time tasks are some easy social quests that you need to complete, like join their Discord or follow them on Twitter. Now one thing I forgot to mention are some bonus quests that you also need to complete. So firstly is a check-in. This is a check-in quest that you need to complete daily basis, and the more check-in streak you have, the higher points you will receive. Aside from that, this is the passport. This one is not necessary, but if you want to do, you can go and upgrade your Gitcoin password. It will help you and getting more points. And lastly the faucet, which we already covered. So the summary of the testnet is that you need to come daily and do all these tasks and interact with the testnet as much as you can, do swaps and staking stuff, and you need to complete some social quest and accumulate as much points as you can to qualify for this testnet airdrop.